Wow, hello dear trend followers. What will happen during this decade? We will see huge chances to generate a lot of money in the market over the next decade. This is not just with stocks, but of course with options too. This is the really fun part. Good, you may ask, isn't there a lot of risk associated with investing in options? And to this I say no. If you know what you're doing, in actuality the risk is relatively low. I will explain this shortly. For now, let's take a look at what just happened in the USA. In the USA, an enormous infrastructure packet was just proposed. The infrastructure in the US is in a state of severe decay, and there is a lot of work that needs to be done right now. This means that over the next year or so, a lot of money, even billions of dollars, will flow into infrastructure projects. Streets will be repaired and new ones built, the electricity generation system will be upgraded, and the water handling and purification systems will be revitalized and modernized. With these upgrades will come intelligent cities, also known as smart cities, and so forth and so on. This, of course, is something that can be supported by the old economy. The old economy includes such companies as Caterpillar and United Rental. Many of these types of companies will be asked to participate. Along these same lines, the high-tech industries will also be pulled in to participate. The modern world is intelligent. This means we need intelligent streets, intelligent water purification systems, and intelligent cities. To operate these intelligent entities, we are going to need more semiconductor technology, and we are going to need the shipping industry. The order books for these companies that I just mentioned are filled out for years into the future. As a result, these companies are going to see growing revenues and growing profits. The stock market will most certainly take notice of this. For these companies, it is almost for sure that this will go on for years and maybe even a decade. Good, so the next question is, how can I profit from the performance of these companies? Instead of answering this question, I'll reword it to ask, where can the value of these stocks go to? I think everyone agrees that their respective stock prices in 2 years from now will be higher. In this case, it makes sense to buy not just the stock, but also an option for that stock. I'll buy options that are already above the strike price at purchase time and with a duration of about 2 years. So I can accompany the growth of the stock with an option. With this, I have the chance to double my money. And nothing is going to let me pass up this chance because the risk is extremely low. These companies have full books of business going out years. The amount of money earned curves up, and there is simply too much work in the world that cannot go incomplete. The old economy will grow with the new economy, and things are going to happen that we simply cannot possibly imagine. Naturally, this will cause stock prices to rise, and then the option prices will rise too. Of course, the overall trends will be increases in value of these investments, but with the normal, technical, short-term volatility that we always see. I have just released a new options package that contains 6 various stock options. You're going to need capital of about $45,000 to invest in this package. I am going to double this capital, and I am thrilled to get into this investment because I know that it is quite low risk. It is very certain what is going to happen over the next year. I am going to buy this package myself right away, and you should too. Then you will also know what a sure bet and safe investment this is. You should recognize the opportunity and grab onto it as soon as possible. Seriously, there is a great chance to double your capital in the next 12 to 18 months. I am going to do this, and it would make me happy if you could also come along. I wish you a lot of success with my options package. Yours, Michael Proffe.